Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Nurul Siti Nurhalima. Can you call me Nurul? NIM 44220086. On this occasion, I will present two talks of Individualist UTS project. One, the first about Danone Aqua. Danone Aqua is a pioneer of bottled drinking water, IMDK, and soft drink in Indonesian Swiss was established in 1973. As an authentic Indonesian brand, Danone Aqua always strives to spread kindness to the community, the providing healthy hydration, and maintaining the sustainability of nature. As part of Danone Indonesia, Danone Aqua is committed to providing health through quality product while making a positive contribution to society and the environment in line with the company's sustainability strategy. Don't Impact Journey. Danone Impact Journey focus on their main pillar named health, the environment, and society and community in carrying of sustainability effort. Next, lini business Danone Aqua. Danone Indonesia is present in Indonesia through its two business lines, namely Danone Water, Danone Aqua, which focus on water-related service and the importance of healthy hydration, and Danone Specialist Nutrition, Danone SN, Indonesian Swiss include nutritional products for mother and children that support the creation of a healthier future generation in Indonesians. In this business operation, Danone Indonesia believes that every good done will increase the company growth and maintain Indonesian sustainability. In line with Danone's vision globally, Danone Indonesia is committed to continuing to develop various sustainability initiatives in support and the Indonesian Government Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) achievement targets. If every 2 years, Danone Indonesia consistently issues a sustainability report from both Danone Aqua and Danone SN Indonesia. Danone Indonesia Sustainability Report is prepared using the Global Reporting Initiative and GRI standard framework and compares various programs in nature conservation, nutrition education, product innovation based on research, and social community empowerment around the company's location, internal company, and involvement of various sectors. The sustainability report is a form transparency and accountability for our business process and impact to be communicated to stakeholders. Next is the organizational structures of Danone Aqua, and I will explain the duties of its organizational chairman. First, Board of Commissioners supervises the business of the PT Danone Aqua and provide advice to directors. In charming of this justice, the board or director is based on the interests of the PT Danone Aqua and in accordance with the aim and objectives of the PT Aqua. Specialist authority of the Board of Commissioners that the Board of Commissioners may be noted in the article of association to carry out certain duties of the director if the director is unable or under certain circumstances. 2. President Director. Job text: leading the company by publishing company policies, select, assign, supervise the duties of employee and section head manager, approve the company annual budget, and submit a report to shareholders on the company's performance. 3. Finance and accounting director manage the accounting function in progress financial data and information to produce the financial report needed by the company, accurately determine the selling price, product to be launching, visit schedule, and promotion system to ensure the achievement of sales targets, monitoring order acquisition on some summaries forecast to ensure optimal production capacity in valid and on time, coordinating and controlling the planning, reporting, and payment of corporate tax obligation to the efficient, accurate, timely, and in accordance with applicable governance regulation, plan, coordinate, and control the company's cash flow, especially the management of receivable and debts, there ensuring the availability of funds for the company operation and the health of financial condition, planning and coordinating the preparation of the company's budget, and controlling the use of the budget to ensure the effective and efficient use of funds in supporting the company's operational activities, plan and coordinate the development of financial and accounting system and products, and control their implementation to ensure that all financial process and transaction run in an orderly manner, as well as reducing financial risks, coordinating and conducting financial planning and analysis to be able to provide input from and financial set for company leaders in making business decisions both for investment, expansion, operational, and other financial conditions. Planning and consolidating company-wide action to ensure compliance and compliance with tax regulation. 4. Job desk marketing director, sales and marketing. Determine the selling price, product to be launching, visit schedule, and promotion system to ensure the achievement of sales targets, monitoring order acquisition on some summaries forecast to ensure optimal production capacity in valid, monitoring the number of stock of all sales and marketing depth to ensure that the company's stock life does not exceed to predicament target, analyze and develop marketing strategies to increase the number of customers and rise according to the specific target, analyze and provide design and color development direction to ensure product development in accordance with market needs, sales team to ensure the achievement of the specialist customer satisfaction target, evaluation customer satisfaction for the result of the survey of the entire sales, implement the company internal culture system and regulation, and implement cost management to ensure the company's cultures and system and regulation are executed optimally. 5. Job desk director of personnel. Planning employee recruitment according to the need of department. Organize activity related to employee and create a comfortable and disciplined work atmosphere. Accommodate and seek employee compliance. Organize and plan training to improve employee skill. Responsible for employee work discipline. Next, 6. Job desk production director. control all production progress of the company, control the running of the production process, responsible for the smooth production process, responsible for production result. That is the task of the heads of the organizer and element of organizer. PT Aqua Golden Mississippi Tbk has many elements in its organization, especially people, cooperative, common goals, equipment, and the environment. The many divisions that exist relates to the human element in then the organizational structure of this company, which is specialist and spreading indicates very close cooperation and interconnection with each other so that it can launch the company to achieve the vision and mission as well as common goals. Organizational theory. PT Aqua Danone is a company that has many divisions and even division of that is the work each other with the intention of achieving a common goal. Lack of function of the division means a reduction in quality and the directions in target and strategies, so it can be said that this company is classified as a modern organization theory. Organization in terms of purpose. The organizational goal is the elaboration or implementation of the mission statement and I also something that will be achieved or produced in certain period of time in an organization or company. Goals are also formulated in two forms, namely short-term goals and long-term goals. The second difference lies in the time of achievement and the way it is written. Short-term goals are usually more specific than long-term. Okay, next, specification of skill possessed by employees Danone Aqua. Our team, various teamwork together to achieve the vision of one planet, one health. Explore our journey at Danone through the inspiring stories of our Danones. Admire the involvement, their unstoppable energy and commitment. 1. Team marketing and digital. We focus on the developing the Danone brand and category. We develop a unique consumer strategy and customer experience that communicates the benefit of our product and innovation, building relationship in K between our brand, healthcare professional, consumers, and stakeholders. Next, team sales and procurement. It is our job to secure key resources such as milk, water, and plastic, as well as to find a strategic approach to procurement. We work with external partners to find suppliers and results that align with our business objective, promote and promote a circular economy and support the vision of one planet, one health. Finance team, our work ranges for technical to business focus. The essence of our work is to anticipate and evaluate the financial impact of the decisions made by companies and determine the right direction. We work with them across the company to ensure Danone continues to grow. Quality and food safety team. We ensure that the entire production process is rooted in quality right along the process and system, from product innovation and material choice to marketing and development method. Our job is to ensure consumers get the best they can. Next, human resources team. Our mission is to foster Danone's unique culture and help business grow sustainably. We attract talent and support Danone's the drive, bring together employees around the world, and pride ourselves on the opportunity that create an impact for society through our work. Next, information technology team. Transformation, innovation, and efficiency all play a big role in our role at Danone. We make sure people have the system and materials they need look for new ways to use technology and introduce innovation to help business grow sustainably. Next, healthcare nutrition team. Healthcare nutrition is the division responsible for formulating healthcare strategies, which translates the healthcare professionals, consumers, scientists, and spread the word about how nutrition can change life. That strategy and solution team will leverage the use of big data as an insight generation agent to provide data requests at the enterprise level. It is a fast-paced industry where everyone is encouraged to learn, adapt quickly to the latest trend in the market, and be able to identify emerging opportunities. Last, sustainability development team. At Danone, we believe that corporate success is not only about business, but also about social and environmental. That's why we have teams that work specifically to ensure and continue to create positive impact, as well as consistently innovate to be sustainable. Next, project that have been handled by Aqua Danone. We have carried out many projects and I will explain them one by one. One, in managing the circularity and sustainability of water resources, Danone Aqua has carried out various initiatives to maintain the quality and quantity as and has planted more than 2.5 million trees, built more than 1,900 infiltration wells, built more than 81,000 biospheres, built rain harvesting facilities, and development 19 biodiversity parks both inside and outside the factory area. Second, to help mitigate climate change, the Non-Aqua also develops a carbon footprint reduction program by encouraging the use of renewable energy. This initiative is in line with Danone Aqua's commitment to become a company with zero emission or carbon neutral in intercompany supply chain by 2050, as well as the use of 100% renewable electricity by 2030. Third, Danone Aqua also strives to continue to manage post-consumption packaging waste and play an active role in supporting the government's achievements targets in terms of waste management. Community and community empowerment is also the focus of Danone Aqua. Until now, more than 318 hectares of land have been converted to environmentally friendly agriculture to increase community income and maintain water quality and quantity. Then the company developed the Aqua Home Service program and has empowered more than 1,000 housewives and families in Indonesia and improved the climate of small and medium business through the dumping program, which has reached more than 500 beneficiaries. In addition to continuing to maintain our great commitment the preserving Indonesian ecosystem and nature, we also continue to hold the principle of being able to present product and service through various innovation. All products have had high quality standard and through more than 400 quality check. Next, achievement achieved by Aqua Danone. In 2020, we received the Proper Gold Award for the Danone Aqua plants and Proper Green Award for ex Danone Aqua plants for the Ministry of Environment and Forestry. Danone Aqua sustainability in 2019 until 2020 won the gold categories in the 2021 Asia Sustainability Reporting Rating, which was held on November 17, 2021 in Jakarta. 2021 Best Companies to Work for in Asia. Danone Aqua, the latest in Asia and the first FMCG in Indonesia to be crop certificate since 2018. In 2022, best company to work for Indonesian again. Danone Aqua, the latest in Asia and the first FMCG in Indonesia to be crop certificate since 2018. In 2023, highest predicate in Indonesian Green and Sustainability Companies Award 2023 organized by SWI Media Group with the theme Integrating Green and ESG Principle into Business, a Pathway for Sustainability Success. Inclusive Resilient Indonesian Gets to Indonesian Chairs Award 2023. Danone Indonesia get an award in the food and beverage sector from the economic. Next, explain what the advantage of working with Aqua Danone. 1. Strong brand. Aqua Danone is one of the leading drinking water brand in Indonesia with a strong reputation. 2. Extensive distribution network. The company has an extensive distribution network, allowing their product to be easily available to consumers throughout Indonesia. 3. Research and innovation. Aqua Danone is well known for the commitment to research and innovation in improving product quality and meeting consumer needs. 4. Support from Danone Group. As part of the Danone Group, Aqua Danone receives support in terms of resources and knowledge from the parent company. 5. Diversified product portfolio. The company has a wide range of drinking water products, include mineral water, vitamin mineral water, for mineral water, and other, so that they can meet the diverse preferences of consumers. 6. Growth of the drinking water market. The demand of drinking water continues to increase in line with the awareness of the importance of hydration and the need for safe and quality water. 7. Wet market penetration. The company can leverage its extensive distribution network to enter markets they have not researched before, such as Ores outside the island of Java. 8. Innovation product offering. Aqua Danone can quote innovative product that can attract consumers' interest, such as vitamin water product with new flavor or with environmentally friendly packaging. 9. Strategy partnership. The company may establish partnership with restaurants, hotels, or other companies to increase distribution and increase brand awareness of Aqua Danone. The last 10. Expansion into the international market. Aqua Danone can leverage their reputation as a strong brand in Indonesia to enter the potential international drinking water market. That's all about our company. I hope you ask to join us Danone Aqua. Next, the second one about Starbucks Indonesia. Company profile Starbucks Indonesia. PT Sari Coffee Indonesia or Starbucks Coffee Indonesia is released through the relationship between Starbucks Coffee Company and PT Mitra Adi Perkasa Tbk, one of the well-known department store and brand goods companies in the country. PT Sari Coffee Indonesia is also the only company that has an exclusive license to establish and operate Starbucks in Indonesia. Starbucks Coffee Indonesia opened its first outlet at Plaza Indonesia on May 17, 2022. The Starbucks Coffee Indonesia network has grown to more than 500 outlets in 5 major cities in Indonesia. By the end of 2023, recognized as the world's premier specialty coffee roast and retail and the benchmark of the industry in Indonesia. Starbucks strives to break expansion heritage and expands to every cup of it in Indonesia. All food and beverage sold at our outlets are certified halal by the Halal Product Assurance Agency BPJPH. Explain Starbucks condition to the boycott. We are quite affected by the current issue. Overall sales are down about 30 until 35%. 40% of Starbucks coffee beans globally are currently also supplied from Indonesia. We have 70,000 farmer partners. The expense of current issues steadily affect them. Impact of this negative statement also raises concerns for employees regarding the possibility of downsizing. We ensure that the safety of our employees come first, and we will always strive to restore our image to the way it was. In response to the growing crisis in Gaza, we are extending our support to World Central Kitchen, which is at the forefront of responding to the hunger crisis and providing essential food. assistance the people in need. We reiterate our condemnation of violation against all innocent people. Our philanthropic support through the Starbucks Foundation is an example for our enduring mission to strengthen humanity, a mission that has been the cornerstone or of our journey for the past 20 years in Indonesia. This shows that our promise is not just word, but also concrete active. Our partners in Indonesia are also committed to making a collective donation in mind. Lastly, we will continue to support this invitation by providing a price tag of beverage and well-being sales token for Sumatra. Efforts like this show and highlight how we are working to deliver on our promise. And we insist Starbucks has no political agenda and has never used its profit to fund government or military operational anywhere and has never done so. Although our roots are in the United States, we are a global company with outlets in 86 markets, include more than 1,900 outlets in 11 Middle East and North African regions, employing more than 19,000 partners wearing grand aprons. In the market where we do business, we pride ourselves on being part of the local community, working directly with the local business partner who operation our stores, employing thousands of locals, serving millions of customers, and making a positive impact on many people through our support from our local network and cities. Our 400,000 partners around the world have different views on a wide range of topics. Despite the spectrum of beliefs, Starbucks has been and remains a non-political organization. Neither Starbucks nor the company's former leader, president, and CEO, Howard Schultz, provide financial support to Israel government and or the Israel army in any way. What we believe in and remain focused on is to stay true to our company long-term heritage of simple connection with our partners and customer while enjoying a high quality cup of coffee and offering them the best experience regardless of geographical location. With this press release, I, as the PR stand of Starbucks Coffee Indonesia, apologize profusely for the uproar that has occurred because with the news circulation that our companies has cooperated and even been accused of providing financial support to the Israeli government and or the Israeli army in any way. Even though untrue statements are spread through social media, we have no political agenda. We don't use our profit to fund government or military operational anywhere and never have done so. Our position remains unchanged. Starbucks uphold humanity. We condemn the violence, the loss of innocent lives, and all hate speech and weapons. Starbucks tries to provide a unique and integrated service experience through various service processes to create an comfortable and warm atmosphere for its customer. The service progress at Starbucks start from processing high-quality coffee, raw materials to serving drinks ordered by customer. Starbucks has strict standards in choosing the coffee beans used and how the coffee beans are processed. In addition, Starbucks also pays attention to the quality of additives such as milk, sugar, and syrup used in the drink. This is done to ensure that the quality of the drink product is also continuous and satisfies customers. In addition to the quality of raw materials and additives, Starbucks also pays attention to the process of making and service drinks. The process of making drink at Starbucks is carried out by barista who have been well trained and understanding the recipes and strict standard of making drink. The process of serving this drink is also carried out careful, include in terms of service, packaging, and adding topping according to customer requests. Starbucks also provides a friendly and integrated service experience starting from the moment customer enter the store to the moment they leave the store. In addition, Starbucks also provides free Wi-Fi access and electric network for customers who want to work while enjoying drink. In implementing this process strategy, Starbucks also pay attention to the waiting time of customer in the queue to buy drink. Starbucks sped up to buying process by providing an alternative to ordering through a mobile app that allows customers to order and pay before they come to the store. In addition, Starbucks also offers a drive-through service that makes it easy for the customer to order and pay without having to get out the car. Where from the previous experience, it can be seen the Starbucks pay great attention to the needs and preferences of its customer in designing its product and marketing strategies, where Starbucks always trying to provide an experience that is brand and different from other to its customer. One experience of Starbucks focus on customer is through the Starbucks Reward Loyalty Program. This program gives points or rewards to customer every time they purchase a product at Starbucks outlet. The program provides a better experience for customer and increases customer loyalty. In addition, Starbucks also responds to the demand of its customers by offering different food and beverage menu options to meet various customer preferences and needs. Therefore, from this experience, you can know that focusing on customering is important to win the heart of consumers and build customer loyalty. In this increasingly competitive business environment, capturing the attention of customer is very important. For this reason, creating attractive product will greatly help your business to get new customer and rate existing customers. Thank you for being present at our press conference. Hopefully what we conveyed can be conveyed well. Sorry once again for the uproar that occurred from Starbucks. We'll always do our best. Thank you. That's all my presentation. More or less, please forgive me. Thank you.